Oh boy, this is the most exciting video that I've ever done besides, I guess, the Henry Bendel one, I guess. But so, stay tuned. Be strong. Well, hi YouTuber, this is Joy with Stuff to Discuss, and I am back to discuss an item that I've been after for a while. For those of you who are just tuning in, thanks for tuning in. Thumbs up this video, share the video, comment, but bring some good comments, you know, like, not like your comments are not good, but no, you know, just, you know, nice comments. I appreciate your comments, by the way. And then also those of you who have already have seen this channel or been watching this channel, thanks again. And I hope I do you some good on this channel, on this video. So yeah, oh, also watch or follow me on Instagram, and also, like I said, share this channel, but follow me on Instagram especially because I do some things. I be doing things. So yes, so let's get started. All right, so I've been wanting this item for a while, okay? And so I'm gonna give you a little backstory, okay? So it's gonna be short. I'm not gonna be long-winded because I know those videos that people are long-winded is, I'm like, get to the point, get to the point. Okay, so this is gonna be an unboxing, okay? This is this unboxing on an item that I saw at Nordstrom Rack 2 years ago. The reason why 2 years, because last year that was going on, but the year after that, yeah, year after that, I found this item. Anyway, so I was at Nordstrom Rack doing my duty like I usually do, and I go to the purses. First thing I saw was this purse that I just like, what? And the price for it was like, what? So anywho, I'm gonna do an unboxing, show you the purse right now. So I got it off of Poshmark. So here's the box. I opened it already because I wanted to make sure it looked good and it is what it was, and things like that. So we kind of do like a pre unboxing without people noticing, but it's an unboxing. I put it back the best way I could. So here we go. Anyway, so here's the box, and it says Poshmark. And the reason why it says Poshmark on this one because they had to see Poshmark authenticates the bag first before they mail it to you to make sure you're not getting, you know, you gotta go through the hassle of it being fake, if someone's mailing you a fake bag or anything like that. So basically I'm glad they do that. Okay, so got it from a Poshmark the seller, and the person was cool. She's also selling it on eBay. I saw it on eBay and I was like, God, I want to get it, but I couldn't get it. I was just trying to find ways to get it. So what I did was I used to deal with a firm before, and I do Tradesy, and so I went to a firm, and I had already did some things through a firm, paid things off, whatever, but it's like a little loan that they loan you where they think that you know, capable to pay, and you pay like $80 a month, $20, depending on the price, or yeah, the price, the value of what you buy, shoes, clothes, bags, stuff like that, jewelry, you know. So anyway, and I bought watches there. I bought watch. I bought like a Michelle watch. Got a Coach backpack. I think it's Coach. Yeah. So it's actually pretty cool. So Tradesy, check it out. So here we go. Here's the box. Already open right about here. So I'm gonna open it right here. And here is how it was packaged, like this. And I'm gonna open it up right here. And then when I take out this stuff, it was packaged like this. Poshmark made it look pretty. They made it look really pretty. Let me see. Can you see it? Yes. So let me take out the bag. And then now, move the box over there. And then, oh, I don't know where I'm moving the box at. There we go. Oh, by the way, if you are hearing any kind of noise, like a fan noise, it's the fan, because I don't want to be sweating all up in this doggone video. I've done that before and it's like embarrassing. So anyway, so here is the bag. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the bag, and here's Poshmark. They have the authentication card thing here, because this bag did not come with a dust bag. It did not come with a what it didn't come with. Now it comes with a strap, but this one did not have a strap, so it was actually why it was cheap. But I didn't care because I think I can get a strap at the brand name that I'm going to mention after I open up. We'll just go to that later. Get to that later. But anyway, so here's the authentication card, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna put it upside down. And the bag, well, I'll show you later what the bag is. I think you probably saw it, but anyway, so they wrapped it up all nice. Let me undo it, and I got, oh my goodness, it's like Christmas all over again. All right, here we go. And I got a Givenchy. Oh, look at it. Look at this. Look at this bag. Let's take a moment and look at this bag, shall we? Look at this bag. Look at this. Look. All right, let's discuss this bag right here. This bag is what I saw at the store when I walked in, and I touched it and I'm like, oh, no. And it was a cheap price. Okay, so this bag runs retail at what, 2,500? I'm gonna say 2,500. This is like rounding it up, right? 2,500. Okay, so it's at 2,500 bucks, and I got it at portion of the price of through a firm and whatever. So, but the girl, she brought it down because it comes with a strap. Now, I know about replica bags. Okay. A replica bag to me, and I think I discussed it a long time ago in my video, that as long as it is on point, it has to be on point. It can't be like, yeah, it has to be on point. So I got a replica bag at first to test it out to see if I wanted a real bag. And most ladies on the YouTube channel are doing that. They get replica bags, which is, I guess, or dupe, to go ahead and test to see if they really want the bag, and save up, invest to get the real deal. So behind me is a Givenchy bag, same size I think it is. I think it's small. They have the mini, small, medium. Medium is large. So this came with a dust bag, and I don't like to show reps, but here's this bag, and I might do fake versus real again, because I've done that with the Louis Vuitton and it has gotten some reviews. So yeah, so here's the replica bag. As you see, it don't look bad, right? It don't look too bad. It's supposed to be that they call it the sugar grain type of, it's black, where this is what is this, like a navy blue color? Yeah. So here you go. Oops, wait a minute. Like, I don't know, can you see it? There you go. I think I can do it right. Can you do it right, Jordan? There you go. So here you go. You got this, like this. So it kind of matches. Now this did come with the straps and stuff, but I'm not going to demonstrate this, but it came with, let me see, is there straps in here? Yep. It comes with the straps, supposed to look like this to the bag here, which is like supposed to be that color. But anyway, so this bag has not been bad, I have to say for myself. Now, only thing that bothers me, and I know the difference between the real and the fake, is that this, see how this knot is bowed out? Instead of sits up straight, and then this does not do like the straight sit up thing. See that? So that's one thing about me. But honestly, if you got an arm, who's actually gonna come up to you and say, girl, your handle is like not straight? I mean, unless it's like totally, but it's sturdy just like the real one. And everything. So we'll discuss that later when I do real versus fake, probably with this bag. Hey, if you really want to see that video, please comment below and I'll hook you up and we can discuss together what's fake versus the differences, the comparison. We'll do that, okay? But right now, we're gonna talk about this bag, okay? So this bag right here is so cute. So cute. So cute. All right, so the owner, the buyer, the seller, there you go. The seller just mentioned that only there was some scuffs on this bag. It's brand new though. I mean, she wore it. I could tell she wore it. But my thing got it was I love fringes. So fringes is my thing. The two things that got me was the fringe and the suede. So when I saw suede, I'm like, what? And it wasn't an ugly kind of suede, because they have different types of designs of this bag, and hopefully I can, you know, put that up somewhere around here, a picture of the different designs of different bags. They have them different exotic colors, and or what did I say, styles, or whatever you want to call them. But this I never seen before. And then what killed me is that I was looking on YouTube, and I said there's gotta be some YouTubers that are actually, you know, posting this up. They got one. So I was looking to see if anybody else was reviewing this bag, but nobody was reviewing this bag. So I said, oh, so it was so cool that I got it. I couldn't wait to do this video of this bag. And so let's get into the specs. Okay, so the bag here is small, all right, and here's the side here, and this is leather on this side, and again suede in the back, leather handles, leather at the bottom. No, well, it's feet, but it's not like metal feet. It has this chunky, you know, the chunky zipper right here, and on the end of the zipper pull is like, you know, your leather pulley with a little hump on the top. And when you open it up, let me see. Ooh, I open it. When you open it up inside, let me take out this. Let's take it out. Take it out. All right. So on the inside is a tan light color. Now, I know some ladies out there in YouTube channel, YouTube land, whatever, don't like their bags light because they feel that they are going to dirty up bag. Now this person, like I said, used the bag. It is immaculate, so they must have used much of it. So, but you can put a, what do you call it? Like, I thought I had one. But you can put like an organizer and then save you the bag so it won't get destroyed with lipstick, perfume, spillage, all that stuff. So yeah, I would do that if I was you. But anyway, I like it because you don't have to, you know, search and dig for your bag. You got the lining. Oh, is it lining? No, you got the like, you know, you have your, okay, I'm trying to make sure I can see it right. You have your two your two things right here. I'm trying to show it. Okay, yeah, that's one. Moving over here, doing it backwards. There's two. Wait, no, that's the same one. Two. And the other one has like an elastic thing on it. And then here you have the lining, which is leather. And it says Givenchy. Probably show close up stuff. And then you have, and up under it is the code, the serial code. And then you have your zipper right here. And the inside is also like that with the zipper. And yeah, so it's clean. I don't see any craziness about it, because I've seen some bags that's a horrifying mess. So she must didn't wear it as much, or they bought it and just said, you know, I'm not all about the suede. Because a lot of times people don't like suede purses because they feel like either it gets ruined too fast, or it's you know, you can damage it if it gets wet. That, you know, that type of stuff. But I think if you know how to take care of stuff, because I have some suede and fringe, some fringe. Well, do I got fringe? Probably one, I think. But I got suede bags, suede shoes, suede tennis shoes, and no, doing good, doing great. So I think I could be a big girl and take care of this. This has got the silver hardware, which it says Givenchy here. Givenchy. And yeah, I am excited. I mean, the only thing that's a damper is that it don't have the strap, and on the strap it will have where it would dent in. But I'm gonna get with the company Givenchy and see if they have the strap. All right, so remember we talked about the authentication card. So I'm gonna take this off of here. Oh, I don't want to take it off because I'm doing it. Take it off. There it is. Done. Okay, so it's the Poshmark.com Posh authentication, and it says thank you. Okay, I'm gonna read it real fast. Thank you for your purchase. Thank you for your purchase. Our luxury experts have confirmed the authenticity of Givenchy, right? received by, and I'm assuming, oh no, it's reviewed by whoever the person is. They reviewed, CD, whoever. And it's all yours, ready to style. We hope you love it. Happy poshing. And the Posh Authenticate team. And share your, okay, yeah. So that's how the card look right here. You know, you get a little authentication, so if you happen to want to resell it, then you have the authentication card there. So I'm gonna put it in a purse because I'm excited. I'm excited. Yes. So it did, like I said, it didn't come in a dust bag. So what I'm gonna do is go on eBay or whatever, and all day, every day. And I've been getting lucky at thrift shop because those who follow me, I've told you that I go thrifting, but I get lucky with finding dust bags like this. I found Michael Kors. I found Gucci. I found Tommy Hilfiger. Is it Tommy Hilfiger? Yep, I think. No, it's Tory Burch. Yeah, I found what else? Fendi. I found. I mean, these. So I'm pretty sure. I mean, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna be looking, but if not, I'm just gonna straight go to eBay, or sometimes even on OfferUp. Some people are selling. You know, I found Louis Vuitton too. I mean, so. But yeah. So, but I don't want to pay a lot of money for a dust bag. So, but there you go. I mean, I don't know what more to say. It's got like the kind of like it's not yellow stitch, but a golden like stitch to it. Yeah, I mean, look at that. But yeah, this bag, I saw it. I was like, how else am I going to get this bag? I was like, how else am I going to get the bag? Because once they only have one at the Nordstrom rack, and then there's another one. They have a burgundy one like this, and I was like, because there was someone on Tracy selling the burgundy one. Now someone's on Poshmark selling the burgundy one. So whoever wants that one, go after it if you like this bag. But yeah, and then Poshmark also has other designers or designs or suedes that other buyers, I mean sellers, I keep saying buyers, sellers are selling. And then what else? Excuse me. Yeah, no, I think that's it. But go on those type of you know, platforms like Poshmark, Tracy, Fashion File. Me and Fashion File, I try to buy something from there, but it's just, no, even though I visit the place, it's just like, ugh. But anyway, but yeah, so definitely check out these places and stuff like that. But I did see the burgundy one on Poshmark. So yeah, so thanks again. Hope you like my unboxing, and you know, whatever about this bird. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. But anyway, and yeah, if you have any questions or comments, you know, just bring it this way. But make sure they're nice comments though, and make sure they're, you know, yeah, makes sense. But also, yeah, make sure if you have any questions, I'm gonna try my best to answer them to my ability, because I'm just learning too about this bag. And yeah, so yeah, and don't forget to share this channel, and stay tuned for more videos, because I have got a lineup for 2021, and yeah, we are going to do this. So yeah, so thanks again. Yeah, I don't know what to say, so bye.